Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Review. Samsung's best phone with a big screen and superb camera. Presentation, outline and show. AR Emoji, Bixby and enhanced biometrics. New speakers, interface and specs. Camera and battery life. Decision and rivalry. TODO alt text recommended. Our verdict. You won't locate a greater and preferable Android telephone over the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, on account of its larger-than-average 6.2-inch bended screen and low-light overcoming double focal point camera. Indeed, it looks precisely like a year ago's S8 Plus, however it fixes the unique finger impression sensor area, it's presently focus adjusted on the back, and speakers, now stereo. The new AR Emoji mode is exaggerated, however, and its higher cost is difficult to legitimize. This is for individuals who need the greatest screen and the best camera on one telephone. 4. Noteworthy low-light camera. Better set unique mark sensor. Uproarious stereo speakers. Against. Not too unique to S8 Plus. AR Emoji mode is misrepresented. Expensive for 0.4 in of additional screen. The Galaxy S9 Plus is Samsung's most exceptional enormous telephone on account of its curiously large screen and sublime cameras, regardless of whether everything seems to be indistinguishable to a year ago's S8 Plus. 4 months into its dispatch, that remaining part's at the highest point of our best telephones list. Without emotional changes to the plan, it's solitary and iterative refresh to the S8 Plus, yet it's an iterative refresh to an Android telephone that has been sitting close to the highest point of our best telephones list for as long as 11 months. That is imperative to recall. We've tried the Galaxy S9 Plus for a while now, and its low-light photographs and extra-large screen are the two most evident features. It's as yet Samsung's affected 6.2-inch bended unendingness show that will offer you on this more costly telephone over the 5.8-inch Galaxy S9, yet the two handsets have an enhanced 12MP camera that gloats a f/1.5 most extreme opening. This is the primary camera telephone with such a wide opening, giving the S9 and S9 Plus low light and glamour overcoming powers that, by and large, are further developed than those of even the Google Pixel 2, our past best telephone camera, and new LG G7 Think with its AI camera. Samsung Galaxy S9 discharge date and cost. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus discharge date was March 16, 2018. $840, £869, $1,349 marks a bounce in cost. It's as yet less expensive than an iPhone X. Outline. Samsung's exquisite mirror and metal cell phone configuration returns. Little changes, focus adjusted back unique mark sensor, stereo speakers. You won't see the measurement contrasts from the S8 Plus. Show. 6.2-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED bended screen. 90% of the front of the telephone is currently screen. No in-screen unique finger impression sensor here.